Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell an online course, secrets on how to sell online course and how to implement them. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be discussing on the secrets on how you can earn a lot of money through the online course that you are selling. For this video, we will be specifically talking about the courses that you can post in Udemy. And also we'll show you how to do this later on in the video. But let's first explain the secret on how to make money with online courses and how to implement them. So the way is very simple. It's not super complicated. There's no secret way. It is simply called advertisement. A lot of videos in YouTube are explaining the same process and calling it fancy name, but the concepts are all the same. You're simply going to promote it in a platform. You could choose any platform out there, but I suggest that you use the top platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And that's basically the way you will be able to promote and make your online course be noticed by people and have a high chance of earning a lot of money through that online course that you are selling. And there's no super fancy name for it. There's no super fancy procedure for it. And that's the most simplest explanation on the secret on how you can earn money with your online course, aside from it being, of course, a very good online course that people are actually learning from and leaving a good review. Now, I made this whiteboard in Canva to explain the very simple process on how it works. So simply, you're going to create a post on any of this platform that is promoting your online course. I know in Facebook or any platform that you have been using, I know that you have already experienced or came across a post that is promoting a specific topic and there's a course attached to it. That's basically the process that I'm talking about. For example, in YouTube, like right now, assuming the video that I have created right now is related to a course, an online course, and I'm simply talking about it, how it works, promoting it, and I'm telling you that if you would like to know more about the course, you should visit it in Udemy and download the course or buy the course as a support for me as well, something like that. That is something called advertisement, and you're promoting your online course through the video in YouTube that you have created. And you could do the same thing for Facebook, where you could create an online post that explains about a specific topic, a discussion, and of course, put the link of your online course to the post that you have created, and that will be able to attract customers or attract users who would like to learn about the specific topic that you kept talking about in Facebook. And similarly with X, or formerly known as Twitter and Instagram, you're simply going to do the same thing in either a form of a post with photos, or even a video. And that's basically the secret to how you will be able to sell a lot of money online. And going in Udemy over here, you will be able to create your courses by simply applying to be an instructor and clicking on instructor options over here. And in this section, you will be able to create your own courses for you to sell. And you could utilize different AIs to make your life easier, and you will be able to earn a lot of money through that method as well. And through that method, also, you will be able to create multiple courses at once, although it's not easy to create a course, of course, but you will be able to make a lot of courses by using the help of AI, so that you have also a wider range of earning opportunities, because you will be having multiple courses to sell, meaning there will be a lot source of income for you to earn. And you could utilize ChatGPT, like I said, for the building of your course. So let's demonstrate how you could utilize ChatGPT as well. So over here in Udemy, we're simply going to click on create new course over here. Let's speed run through the basic process. We're going to select course, click on continue, create a working title. You could ask ChatGPT, give me 5 topics that is effective as an online course, and simply click on enter over here, and let's choose one of the courses or the topics that ChatGPT will provide us. So for example, let's go with digital marketing fundamentals. Let's copy this, put it over here, Click on continue. For categories, this is about finance and accounting. Click continue once again. Then simply put in your availability. So let's say I haven't decided yet. Create course, and let's show you how you could use ChatGPT. We already showed you the potential over here on the title. So let's go and do the same thing for this other plans over here. So as you can see over here on the left side, this is like the to-do list, the checklist for you to build your course. And these are everything you need to build a course in Udemy. And let's show you. So we have selected digital marketing fundamentals. So let's paste it over here. Provide. And let's copy the first question. Copy this, paste it over here, click on enter, and then let's see the output. And as you can see, this is the answer that ChatGPT is producing. So let's simply put the answer over here. Understand the digital marketing landscape. You'll see, paste it over here. Do the same thing for the other options. It's much faster with the help of AI. Usually it would take a while to take for the objectives or the outcomes that your students or people who will enroll to your course, it's usually going to take a while to think about them. But as you can see, we were able to do them in under just a minute. And let's ask this one as well. You could do this process to any platform out there that supports or that allows you to create a course. You can simply copy and paste the things over here, and you can simply put in the answers that ChatGPT has provided. And you could also have this. What is this course for? Click on enter. And let's see, digital marketing, beginners, small business owners, marketing professionals, content creators, all of those stuff. So let's go with small business owners, I guess. And put that over there. After that, simply click on save. Now we could proceed to the curriculum. You could ask ChatGPT to produce our curriculum as well. So they could ask, create the course curriculum. Click on enter. Oh, I think we started the generation, so let's do it again. Create the course curriculum. Click on enter, and let's see the output. There we go. We have our module 1, module 2. You simply copy the titles over here, just like this. Let's change the title, save lecture, add the curriculum item, lecture. Go back here, copy this, and paste it over here. You get the idea. Then for the content, you could add either video or slide, mashup, article. You'd ask ChatGPT to produce an article. Produce an article for module 1. And click on enter. And we could add an article over here. Select this, then we can simply put in this information that ChatGPT is providing us right now. So let's wait for it to finish, and we'll copy this and paste it over here. You get the idea? You could create a lot of different content and a lot of different courses with the help of ChatGPT or even other platforms out there, other AI platforms. And through that, you will be able to expand your source of income through courses. And then you could, of course, like I explained earlier, promote your different courses through YouTube, Facebook, X, or Instagram over here through the form of a post that will allow you to publicize or promote your courses. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe.